Peace and Friendship Mission from India to South Africa on ideology of Mahatma Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Martin Luther King, Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela. The purpose of this mission is to encourage and educate youth towards peace and friendship for their self-development and the prosperity of the nation, and the linking with the positive way of living. Realizing this, team leader Mr. Nilay Band, along with selected 60 peacekeepers from 5 continents, will reach to India to join this event, which will commence on March 12, 2017 at Gandhi Ashram Sevagram, Wardha, and will conclude at Phoenix Settlement, Durban, South Africa on April 22, 2017 under Mrs. Ela Gandhi, great-granddaughter of Mahatma Gandhi. The project has got shelter of Ministry of Tourism and Culture, Government of India and Maharashtra State. Our team members are from India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, UK, Croatia, Bosnia, Australia, and USA. Our peace team will perform and various events to connect masses, include local people, peace march, cycle and bike rally, street plays, group songs, debate and discussion, quiz and questionnaire, poster and a picture display, school and college gathering, marketplace assembly, blood donation camp for peace, symposium, speech, and many more, with our message of peace and friendship.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.